You needed help, didn't you? And I didn't help you. We're in the freaking spawn. I hated it here, but we're here. Alright, our game's finished. How far are you? Thanks for the games, Jolios, if you're getting off. I'll wait for you then. Yeah. Thanks for the games. Oh yeah, let's see. Damn. Pooping. Unbelievable. Wait, Joel, can you come back for a second? I was gonna get you to invite them because I can't invite them. Or just invite Sketchy, so Sketchy can invite one time. Because I cannot. Oh, he's gone. Never mind. What? If you what? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, what? It's a sketchy story. It's a wild adventure. Continue. I don't want to play Watch with you anymore. If there was evidence that your story was real, then yeah, probably. That sounds pretty epic. No. Because I am Spider-Man. Sketchy, can you please add my old account? You ready? Can you add me on Battle.net? And I'll tell you the thing. No, one hand TTV. And then you need to put. You can't invite me. Oh, Monte, can you please invite me? Because Sketchy's being useless. Can you add me on? Can you add me on Battle.net? Can you? It's one hand TTV. WON. And then you need the hash symbol. No, this is for Battle.net. You can add me on the Overwatch Battle.net. Oh, I'm gonna knock someone out. Hashtag hashtag 1810. Oh my gosh! Thank you, thank you. 1810. How? I said add me on BattleNet on Overwatch, and you're searching. I didn't get any. I didn't get a single invite, by the way. I didn't get a single friend request. No, no there's no way. Did you? Did you add one hand TTV hash 1810? No, WON. You getting it wrong is fine, but Sketchy, if Sketchy got it wrong, then I'm concerned. Yeah. Ah, you know, actually, wait. I'm the dumb one here. We verse. I can find you. We no, we can. We no, Monte. We verse. We can find each other through the. Oh dear. Gee. No, 10. It's 18. No, that's not my BattleNet tag. That's do you have to put it in the end? Oh, I think you have to put that on the end. That could be my fault. Yeah, okay. Can you put Sketchy? I didn't know that was part of it. I just thought you needed. No, I don't think. Oh, I'm confused. I'm confused now. What? No, I don't want to. No. No, when I press Y, this is the name you need to put in. I don't think I'm wrong. No, because one of them is the battle tag name, and one of them is the the Xbox name. They're two. They're two. D. Oh, are you joining?